Hello everyone. I am Dr. Kirti Kundana and I am a pediatric neurologist at Ankura Hospital for Women and Children. Today I am going to talk about what are infantile spasms. Basically, infantile spasms are a form of seizures or what we call as fits in children. The usual age of onset of these seizures is around 4 to 5 months of age. And in these type of epileptic spasms or infantile spasms, the baby has the event which consists of sudden flexion and contraction of the head, neck and arm muscles like this. So these kind of events happen multiple times a day, usually getting up from the sleep or while getting into the sleep. They occur in clusters like 3 to 4 episodes back to back multiple times a day. So if these kind of sudden jerks like this happen in your infant or a child, then these need to be evaluated further. Usually we do a test called as EEG or electroencephalogram to confirm that these are seizures. They need urgent treatment because if we delay the treatment of these type of seizures, then it can have a negative impact on the development outcome of the child, which means that in future the child may have developmental delay or cognitive delay or intellectual delay. Hence, these events have to be early identified and treated appropriately. The cause for these kind of epileptic spasms or infantile spasms could be any form of injury to the brain at the time of birth, like hypoxia or hypoglycemia, that is low oxygen to the brain or low sugars. These kind of insults to the brain immediately after birth can cause some permanent brain damage, which can ultimately result in the occurrence of spasms later in life at around 6 or 7 months of age. Other causes could be any structural problem of the brain, for example malformations in the brain where the brain foldings are not formed properly, or it could be something like a metabolic cause or a genetic cause. In some cases, there can be no cause at all. However, the treatment would depend upon the cause as well, and they need to be treated very urgently and appropriately. The usual treatment for these type of spasms are steroids. Which form of steroids will be decided by the treating doctor, and the duration also will be told to you by the treating doctor. So if you think any child is having these kind of seizures, take a video and consult your pediatrician or pediatric neurologist. Thank you.